Alright guys, so the last year I will stop for this part of the design. So you see this place where it shows CMO now, CMO fact, then this popular tribe now, you see they appear for this place. And for our original designer, be like that. So do if we do, we go wrap. Because now this first one they show now be. This first one is supposed to show. So this other two are supposed to hide. Then they only show when we click on that see more facts. So we'll go wrap this one here for inside class. So I'll just say GRP, like group. You get. So we'll wrap them inside this group. Then for now, we'll just come here, we'll put style and we'll just say display none. But we're not supposed to put them here because now JavaScript now will take handle this one. You get, now just will take handle this one. But more job on display none for now. So if I go back now, I refresh, see I'm saying not the show again. You get, not the show again. So by the time we would use JavaScript to do the animation, what's going to happen be say if we click here, as this one expand now, then that display now come out, then you call appear for us. So more continue. So what do we want to do now? Quickly, we won't do this other part now. Okay, so after this part now, we'll finish and we'll go enter the animation properly. So what we'll do, we go this place now. This clip where they here. For this clip, I'll first go style them. I'll first go style the clip now. We'll set facts clip. Okay, so I'll copy this one, I'll paste them here, clip. So this clip now we'll set the width to 80%. Then display go block. Then margin 0 or 2. Then display none. We'll set position to relative. I'll see again. Then top, we'll push and come down small. Or before do this one here, might just come in one out now. First here, we're gonna make this one make it feel everywhere because now when we click now, the thing will animate go up, then it will cover everywhere. So I'll go to that place now. I'll go set where I'm safe. This 44. I'll duplicate this 2. Comment this one out as we're gonna need that one to forget the value. So we'll set this one to 100. Then we'll set this one to 100. So I'll go back, I'll refresh. This is what we'll get here. Abi? Fine. So we'll go hide this ones where they here. So that we'll see it with the design. So to hide them now, these features, I might just copy this style here. I'll put on like this. So by the time I finish my design, I'll get to come out and back. But I won't just leave on like this first so that I go see wait here the design. You get, so don't get this one now. We don't get them. So more carry this X come. So I'll go my HTML here inside the clip. I'll just copy this icon. Or I might just copy this class for here. Escape. So instead of play button, it will be close. So I'll just turn on to close. will be close. Then we'll go back to our style. We feel uncomment this one now. So we'll set the width 80%. You see how that means 80% here to here. Then we'll put the margin auto and I go centralize the content. So margin auto, display none, position relative. Okay. Then we'll set top to 10 EM. So after I do I'll come down, then Ctrl C, clip.close button. So set the font size so like 2 EM. Then position will be absolute Z index so that it go display for it go do the front. Then right, go on to go the extreme to 0. Then top minus 6 EM. Then we'll set the cursor to pointer. So if we refresh now, okay, never show. We'll set the color to white first. We'll see where. Okay. Color hash FFF. Never see come up with this up. Still either back. We'll come to another higher number first. 999. Oh, inspect this thing. Facts, clip, close button. Oh, come on, display none. So that means we're not going to use this one. Physical is about to majorly about 999. Okay. So the close button is show for them now. So do want to we want add the video. Later on, we will put this display none for display so I'll come out. So instead of him to just delete and save, might just comment them out because we'll need them later. Display none. You get so I'll go my HTML. Then just after the close button, we'll create new class. We'll call it cloak. I will tell you this cloak they do now for animation purpose. I'll put on here first. Then we'll come this place now. I'll create video. So this video now the source gonna be assets / this Masai video MP4. Then muted autoplay B. Then controls. Okay. Then underneath now we'll create caption. So this caption we'll just push H3 the Maasai tribe basically what we will type for ASF. Put this one here. So go into my browser now, refresh now. You see the video already got the jump. So I just post some, so we'll style this thing. So what we go do for the style.css, we go target the video. So this video, we go set the width to like 100%, then height to 475 pixel, then object fit go be fill. Refresh. We don't get this item here now. You see how that they resemble. Okay. So the next thing we want target now, we'll target the caption. So just look at this one. I'll put caption. Then we go set color to white. Margin top, so that thing go push come down. And margin top to like 20 pixel. Then overflow hidden. So this overflow hidden also, the importance or the use will come by the time we do caption. Oh, sorry, what we do animation, because if we refresh here, why I never see them? Well, we'll never target the H3 and the paragraph. So we'll just do sharp. So caption H3, we set font size to 1.2 rem. Then font weight will be 600, while our margin bottom will be like 6 pixel. Then font family, we pop in come here. Okay. I'll duplicate this one now. Then we go target the paragraph. So the paragraph now adjust the font weight, and this here we need. So I'll just put 200 here. I see the same thing now. So we'll just paste this one here and cancel this one out. Okay. But this one never show self. We'll see. Never see show. What will never do well. We'll inspect them. Okay. Because I did this 100 view right now, so you know the overflow it now, not the see the button. So I'll just bring this on command side so that if you see which I want to select. I'll put on somewhere here. Then these guys are there. See that two here. So why they not see them now? Caption. We'll see. This is a caption. It's style not the show for this place, yo. Why is that? Oh, na class. You see me? Dot. Okay. So it's supposed to work now. Refresh. Alright, it'll come outside now. Okay, so we'll dog this one back now. then cancel. So we'll not get this our design here. Remember this cloak what we'll put here. This cloak here, now we'll use for our animation, so that by the time it loads, when it's come outside, it could be like curtain, it could just slide close here. You get. So one animate here, I go put the styling, or better still, might just do a sharp now. Might do now. You know what? We'll do one for the next video. This video is already one long. So anyhow, I'll see you for the next video. Now, subscribe, like the video, and see you guys.